Welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we explore the most legendary, stylish, and unforgettable classic vehicles ever built. If you love vintage American cars, powerful engines, and timeless automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Today, we are taking a close look at one of the most underrated muscle-era classics ever produced, the 1966 Mercury Comet. This car may not always receive the same attention as some of the bigger muscle car legends, but true classic car fans know the Comet had style, performance, and personality that made it special. Back in the mid-1960s, Mercury wanted a car that could combine comfort, sporty looks, and reliable power into one attractive package, and the 1966 Mercury Comet delivered exactly that. The 1966 Mercury Comet arrived during one of the greatest periods in American automotive history. Car companies were competing to build faster, more stylish, and more powerful vehicles every single year. Mercury, which was positioned between Ford and Lincoln, wanted the Comet to attract younger drivers while still keeping the comfort and quality Mercury customers expected. One of the first things people noticed about the 1966 Comet was its clean and aggressive styling. The front grille looked sharp and elegant, while the body lines gave the car a sporty appearance without being overly flashy. It had a longer and wider design compared to earlier Comets, making it look more mature and muscular. The stacked headlights, chrome trim, and sleek rear end all helped create a car that looked premium for its time. The Mercury Comet came in several body styles including a two-door hardtop, four-door sedan, station wagon, and convertible. That variety helped the Comet appeal to many different buyers across America. Families could choose the practical wagon, while younger drivers often preferred the sporty hardtop or convertible models. Under the hood, the 1966 Mercury Comet offered several engine options. Buyers who wanted a comfortable daily cruiser could choose the smaller inline-six engine, which provided dependable fuel economy and smooth driving. But the real excitement came from the V8 options. Mercury offered powerful V8 engines that transformed the Comet into a serious performer on American roads. One of the most respected versions was the Comet Cyclone GT. This performance-focused model featured a 390 cubic inch V8 engine capable of producing impressive horsepower for the era. When paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the Cyclone GT became a true muscle car contender. The deep exhaust sound, strong acceleration, and rear-wheel drive setup made it incredibly fun to drive. Back in 1966, muscle cars were becoming more popular every year, and Mercury wanted to prove it could compete with the best. The Cyclone GT version of the Comet helped accomplish that goal. Many car enthusiasts still remember seeing these cars racing down drag strips or cruising through American cities during the golden age of muscle cars. Inside the cabin, the Mercury Comet offered a balance of comfort and simplicity. The dashboard design was clean and easy to understand, with large gauges and classic chrome accents. Bench seats were common, although bucket seats were available in sportier models. Drivers appreciated the roomy interior and comfortable ride quality, especially for long-distance cruising. Another reason why the 1966 Mercury Comet became respected among enthusiasts was its durability. These cars were built during a time when American manufacturers focused heavily on strong steel construction and mechanical reliability. Many surviving Comets today are still running after nearly 6 decades, which says a lot about their engineering. Collectors in the United States continue searching for clean Mercury Comet models because they represent an affordable way to enjoy classic American muscle car culture. While some muscle cars have become extremely expensive, the Comet often remains more affordable, making it attractive for younger collectors and restoration enthusiasts. One fascinating part of Comet history is its connection to racing. Mercury used high-performance versions of the Comet in drag racing competitions during the 1960s. These race-prepared Comets demonstrated the car's strong performance potential and helped improve Mercury's image among speed enthusiasts. The sound of a classic V8-powered Mercury Comet is something every car fan should experience at least once. The rumble of the engine, the vibration through the steering wheel, and the feeling of raw American horsepower create an unforgettable driving experience. Modern cars may offer more technology, but many enthusiasts believe classic cars like the 1966 Comet have far more character and soul. Today, restored Mercury Comets appear at classic car shows all across the United States. Owners proudly display polished chrome bumpers, factory paint colors, and beautifully restored interiors. Some owners keep their Comets completely original, while others modify them with modern suspension systems, upgraded wheels, and more powerful engines. The aftermarket support for classic Mercury vehicles has also improved over the years. Replacement parts, restoration kits, and performance upgrades are easier to find today than ever before. That means enthusiasts can continue preserving these beautiful machines for future generations. Another interesting detail about the 1966 Mercury Comet is how it balanced luxury and performance. Unlike some bare-bones muscle cars of the era, the Comet offered a more refined driving experience. It had enough power for excitement while still delivering comfort for everyday driving. For many Americans who grew up during the 1960s, the Mercury Comet represents memories of road trips, drive-in theaters, family vacations, and weekend cruising. These cars were part of everyday American life during one of the most exciting decades in automotive history. Even today, seeing a restored 1966 Mercury Comet on the road instantly captures attention. Younger people admire its classic styling, while older generations remember the days when cars like this ruled American highways. It is a reminder of a time when automotive design focused on personality, bold styling, and pure driving enjoyment. The 1966 Mercury Comet may not always be the first name mentioned in conversations about classic American muscle cars, but it absolutely deserves respect. It combined style, performance, comfort, and reliability into one memorable package that continues to impress collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Thanks for watching CarAug 765. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic American cars, vintage vans, muscle cars, and rare automotive legends, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment about your favorite Mercury model. See you in the next video.